Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I will be showing you this Singapore 1999 4th Portrait Series $10 notes. Now before I begin, I need to declare that I am a Malaysian, not a Singaporean. So forgive me if I mispronounce something or if I'm missing something, do let me know at the comment section. Also, if because this notes is still in circulation, there will be some information missing from the video as time passes. Because this notes also is only issued until this post issued in 2016 and now it's 2022. Now it's 2022. So there will be some information missing from the book regarding the current circulating notes. Now let's take a look at the notes. So these notes got two types. One is the paper type, another one is a polymer type. Now before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for this fourth portrait series, its issue began around 1999, and the size for these $10 notes is 141 mm times 69 mm. Because so this is called the portrait series because all the notes use Yusof being Ishak portrait, who is the first president of Singapore. So for the paper notes, there are two signature variety. First one is Dr. Tsu Tau, which began around prefix 0AA. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be 0 or circle AA, but let's just call it 0AA. Wait, sorry, it's definitely a number, digit, sorry. And the other signature variety is belong to Hsieng Loong. Forgive me if I pronounce it wrongly. And there's a replacement notes for the which is ZZ. Alright, I'll leave the book like this in case you want to check the price. Please take note that the price here is in ringgit, not in Singapore dollar. Later I will show the signature variety. Alright, then so the book here got show all these symbol which can be found at this spot below the wording spot here, which I will later show you using the one I have me. So for this for the polymer, the size is also 141 mm times 69 mm, and all this symbol is to show the notes is belong to which batch printed at that year. If yours came out with two triangle, it means that batch is belong to the 2011 batch. And the printer for these notes is Note Printing Australia. This one got show where the notes are printed, whereas the paper notes one we do not know is from which one. For this one, there is, as you see, 1, 2, 3. There are three signature variety. One of it is Hsieng Loong. Another one is Gok Chok Tong. Another one is Tharman Shanmugaratnam. So I won't go through all this symbol, which one it belong to, which signature got what symbol. I believe you can check yourself. I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. Please take note, the price here is in ringgit, not in Singapore dollar. If you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Alright, let's show you the signature first. Here are all the signature for you to go and check the notes you are holding. you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Alright, now I return back. First we'll take a look at the notes. This is how the notes look like. Do forgive me, I only have this condition, this type of notes, because I'm getting this from the money exchange. The quality of the notes which I'm showing in most of my videos depend on the people borrowing it to me. I've got this Mason. So being Ishak. For $10 they use the spot theme. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for a while to show you the watermark. So this is the watermark for the $10 notes. It's the easiest way to get and check for counterfeit if you do not have a UV light with you. Alright, I'm going to pause the video again. Alright, let's take a look at the Polymer notes now. Hold on a minute. I just realized I might have forgotten something. Yeah, do forgive me. I have to go back to the book again. So it seems like for there's a commemorative type that was issued for the $10 notes with the Mars logo here printed on the notes. This one there are 9,300 pieces. This one is more valuable if you came across this type. Oh, sorry. Anyway, let's take a look at the Polymer one. This is how the front of the notes look like. So there. Turn around. So here is the symbol. You need to check which batch it belongs. So as you can see, the sign show I would call it. Let's just say it's a house shape. So which means this one belongs to 2015 batch. Now, so example I personally regarding collecting these notes is unless your notes is UNC condition, if it's used before like this, better just use it as normal notes. But if you want to keep it for fun, then never mind. But if you are serious about keeping it as a collection, I would advise it to be it better be a UNC condition. If not, just use it. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.